Hello everyone. For today I'm going to be showing you how to create these Amigurumi crochet limes. For this pattern you'll need a few supplies. You'll need, if you're going to sew on a face for your critter, you'll need some crochet thread, which I have in black. You'll need a darning needle in order to weave in your ends. And for those of you that don't have any crochet thread, I've also drawn on faces onto mine instead of sewing them on. So personally, a new Sharpie with a very fine point onto it works wonders for drawing them on. A pair of scissors in order to cut our yarn. A couple of safety eyes. We'll need some polyfill in order to stuff our lime. And for this, I'll be using a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. And we'll also need some yarn. I'm using a number 4 weight acrylic yarn. For this, we're going to start and create a magic ring. And then we're going to put 6 single crochets into the magic ring. Once you have the ring, 6 single crochets, pull your tail end of the magic ring in order to close. And there we are for round 1. For round 2, what we're going to be doing is working in the round. So we're not doing a chain 1 or a slip stitch at the beginning or ends of our rows. So into your very next stitch, we're going to put a single crochet. And we're going to single crochet once into your next 5 stitches. So this round we're going to single crochet 6 times. And there we are for round 2. For round 3, we'll be putting 2 single crochets into each stitch all the way around. So this round will end up having a total of 12 single crochet stitches made. And there we are for round 3. For round 4, we're going to put 2 single crochets into your next stitch. And then 1 single crochet into the stitch after that. So we did an increase and then single crocheted into the next, and we're going to repeat this 5 more times going all the way around. So this round will end up having a total of 18 single crochets made. And there we are for round 4. For round 5, we're going to do 2 2 single crochets into your first stitch, so an increase, and then 1 single crochet into your next 2 stitches. And we're going to repeat this 5 more times. There's 2 single crochets into your first stitch, 1 single crochet into your next 2 stitches. And this round we'll end up having a total of 24 single crochet stitches made. And there we are for the end of round 5. For rounds 6 through 11, we're going to single crochet once into each of your next 24 stitches. So we're just single crocheting once all the way around, 24 stitches each row, and that's for round 6 through 11. And I'll meet you back here on round 12. Here we are with the end of round 11. For round 12, we're going to single crochet, decrease. So go into your stitch, pull up a loop, go into your next stitch and pull up a loop. So 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And then we're going to single crochet into your next 2 stitches. And we're going to repeat this 5 more times. Single crochet, decrease, single crochet into your next 2 stitches. In this round we'll end up having a total of 18 stitches. And there we are for the end of round 12. Next, we're going to put in our safety eyes. So for these, we're going to count up, and we want to go our first eye between rows 6 and 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 and 7. And then our other safety eye is going to go between row 10 and 11. 8, 9, 10. Add our backings to secure. And then from here, if you're going to sew on your mouth, we can go ahead and add that on. I'm just going to do a very simple mouth onto my lime. So coming up through the back, and then back in. And there we are for a very simple mouth sewn on. You can continue and do lashes if you'd like. And then I'm just going to tie off the end. And then from here for our next round, round 13, we're going to single crochet, decrease, and then single crochet into your next stitch. And we're going to repeat this 5 more times. Single crochet, decrease, single crochet into your next stitch. And this round will end up having a total of 12 stitches made. And there we are for the end of round 13. And from here, we're just going to go ahead and start stuffing our lime. You can use as little or as much as you want. Now round 14, we're going to single crochet, decrease 6 times. And there we are for round 14. And now our last row, we're going to single crochet once into each of your next 6 stitches. And we'll pull up a loop and tie off. Now to sew in our end, we'll thread our yarn into our darning needle. And because, yes, this looks, in my opinion, very horrid as opposed to the opposite side, we're going to come in to each of our stitches coming around and just weave in our yarn into each. And then pull. And that just closed off the end of our line. And there we are with our crochet amigurumi limes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave it a little thumbs up, let me know in the comment section. And if you have yet to subscribe, be sure to go ahead and hit that little subscribe button with that bell notification next to it so you can get a heads up every time I post a new video.